Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to rename a block. So as example, I will create block. You can draw circle and use block commands to convert into block object, the circle object. The name here I will set into example. For base point, can click on the center point, and for object, select the circle object. Click OK. Now if you select the object, it will be set into block with name example. So if you want to change the names of this block, you can type rename, press enter, choose block option, and will be shown for the example block. You can click, and you can click in the bottom here, rename to circle. Okay, click rename to, and then you can click OK. Now, if you select again, the block object will be set into the circle for the name. Okay, that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial, how to rename block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.